Anyway, this card. So we just secured the reservation. So we're finally here. At very timing naman, guys. We're back here outside, guys. Hey guys, good morning. This is JE once again and welcome back to Vlog Center. And for this video today, guys, we're just going to go around here in Kumamoto City, and we're also visiting another prefecture called Kagoshima. So we're now here again, guys, in Torichosuji Station, and we bought this all-day ride for tram. Ayan, nakalagay yun dito. Anyway, this card, yung all-day pass, is worth 500, whereas kapag isang ride alone, that would cost you like 180. So kung more than 3 rides naman yung gagawin nyo, then it's nice to have this, at least, diba? You could have a limited ride for the whole day. So we're now here, guys. We're just waiting for the tram to come over. Pakita ko sa inyo yung trail ng tram. So ayan siya. Yeah. And look at this cool bench. We are back in Kumamoto Station, guys. So we just secured the reservation. 9:19 AM going to Kagoshima. Hey guys, we're now here in gloomy Kagoshima Station. Another big station siya. And parang lahat mga stations nila laging may Seattle's Best. So nag-stamp lang ulit kami ng another one. Train station stamp. So correction lang pala, guys, this is not Kagoshima lang, Kagoshima Chuo Station. So guys, we're now here in Kagoshima Station. We're now exiting in Kanmachiya Gate, South Gate. Hey guys, we're now here in Sakurajima Ferry Terminal and it's already 10:50 at tinatry namin habulin yung 11:05 na alas to the island. So, let's go. Hey! So we're finally here. Nasa Roro na kami guys. Actually, parang pinagbigyan lang kami ng guard on duty. Hinintay niya kami kasi we were running. Nakita niya kami. So finally we're here. Guys, the ferry is now about to go. At very timing naman guys, it's already drizzling. Okay, alam na dito tayo sa katubigan ng Japan. Anyway, ang pupuntahan natin is the island. Ano tawag sa island? Sakuraji. Sakuraji Island. We are now slowly moving. Let me show you. That was quick guys. We're now here at yung exit natin is sa 3rd level. Nandito tayo ngayon sa 4th. Kadadaong lang ng ating Roro. So parang nasira lalo yung bangs ko today dahil sa lakas ng hangin. We are finally here guys. Welcome to Sakurajima. Hey guys, we're now here in Footbath. Yeah, this is one of the attractions here in this park. Nakalimutan ko ano yung tawag pero ilalagay ko dito yung this is free. So yung water guys is really warm pero we're expecting it to be dapat parang hotter kasi nga galing siya ng hot spring pero ano siya parang warm water so hindi siya nakakabigla sa and there are other people coming in medyo madami na what's nice is really nilagyan nila ng mga village and diba intended for seating kaya napaka-comfortable ng pwestuhan dito sa farm and then may area din doon malaki siya so parang a big family could fit in that and siya pinagamit ng apat for some weird reason guys mas mainit dito banda yung banda sa gitna yan doon kami nakapwesto kanina hindi ganun kainit yung tubig but here it's hotter from here guys yung view nyo you could see yung ferry boat coming in and going out from the terminal and then that's the ring ng view here so here on the other end guys mas maganda pala yung view dito yung view nyo is yung dagat while you are soaking your food dito sa Footbath nice doon lang kasi kami nagstay sa bandang unahan ito yung view dito sa deck guys yan ganda diba dapat pala dyan kami nag-soak kanina ng aming mga paa but at least we get to see it so yung nasa likod ko guys ayun yung Yogan Nagisa Trail kaya lang hindi na namin nilakad kasi parang mahaba-haba siya and we are running out of time so we are going back to the ferry station we just got off the tram and we're now back here in Kumamoto Castle. Yan. Malapit lang din siya sa City Hall but we are going to go first here sa loob ng castle because it's closing in 4:30.
great. どうぞ。はい、いらっしゃいませ。はい、エレベーターは。
Ito guys yung part na yan, nasira ng earthquake. That was 2016 I think. Yan, hindi pa rin siya na-fix. Anyway, we are now in the walkway going inside the castle. So ang taas pala nung inakyat namin from the main entrance. And now look at that. Hey guys, this is the 6th floor of the castle. Look at that. Ayan yung view from here. We are back here outside guys. Doon kami galing sa tuktok na yun. 6th floor. And by the way, correct ko lang na yung closing nila is until 5 p.m. Pero yung pag-purchase ng ticket is only until 4 p.m. So,
no.
hey guys, so we found an edible Kumamoto. Kumamo pala. Yeah. Kumamo. Pero this one is custard for 200. Kumamo. Ay, so kalasa niya yung mga fish pancake ng Korea. Hindi nga lang siya fish. Dahil siya ay kumamo. So guys, after walking yung kahabaan ng arcade, we finally found this ramen store called Kokotei. Let's check kung meron sila dito ng ramen that we are looking for. Ito yung mga tinda nila. It's homemade ramen by us. Pork broth fried garlic. Ayan nga tayo. So we finally found a ramen store. Ito na yung ramen namin. It's already served and it's called Kokote. Hindi ko alam kung ayun yung right pronunciation, but they're selling mostly ramen. And ito yung sinabi nilang bestseller nila. So for me naman, itong ramen nila and also this boiled gyoza. So come on, let's eat. In fairness guys, ang daming topping na pork. Like this one. Around 4 slices. That's a lot. Kasi usually mga nakakain natin mga 2 ganito lang, di ba? Sarap. Ang authentic guys ng lasa. Lalo na yung soup. Very flavorful. And the noodles, look at this. Very al dente. So guys, here's the aftermath. Wala na natira, kundi yung konting sabaw. So yung taste niya, lasa siyang rich yung soup niya. Well, pork broth kasi siya. Plus may taste nung garlic na sunog. But yan, niko-complement all together. So that was a good dinner overall guys. Sobrang strong lang talaga nung lasa nung nakain kong ramen. Especially yung black garlic na flavor. Good thing, dun sa CR nila, they are providing yung mouthwash para at least mawala yung lasa sa bibig. Hey guys, we're back in the tram and pabalik na kami ng Kumamoto Station. And from there, sakay uli kami ng another train going to Hakata. So guys, we're back in Kumamoto Station and we're just waiting for our train na kaparating na din na Philippines. And it's finally here. Ito yung train natin guys. Papunta ng Hakata. By the way, while waiting, ito yung air-conditioned room. Pwede kayo mag-stay doon, mag-wait. Hey guys, so kalalabas lang namin ng subway station and we're now here back in Fukuoka. So we're just looking for our hotel, which is just near here sa main crossing. And I think I am already seeing it. Let's go guys, tawid tayo. So we are now here guys in our hotel and it is in Watanabe Dori. Hindi ko masyadong sure kung paano basahin yung pangalan ng hotel nila. So we just asked, it's going to be pronounced like Toei Hotel. And mukha naman siyang malinis at mukha pa siyang bago guys. Look at that. Diba? Maputi. And then we are just going here to their second building which I think is mas luma. Tignan nyo. Ito yung building 2. Ito yung building 1. So we're going to the 6th floor because that's where we are staying. Hey guys, so it's past 11 p.m. already and I just freshen up. Ang cool ng nightwear nila. Kakaiba siya. But I was just checking this one because they are actually offering in-room massage. But we're still asking. Anyway, I think this is where I'm going to end my vlog for this day because I am going to create a separate one regarding this hotel. It's called a 2A Hotel and I'm going to create this separate vlog for that one. But for today, I think we are done. It's a wrap and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below kung may mga questions kayo regarding our tours and activities for today, and click nyo din yung notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye!